can't get the angle. Okay, no. Hi friends. This is a very strange and different angle than what you're used to. I'm currently at Walmart. It's been a hot second since I have filmed anything in long form. But ultimately, I have been inspired by a lot of lifestyle YouTubers. I don't know why. I think I'm in that phase of my life where I'm just like getting inspired by people living on their own and doing their own shit. But anyways, oh my god, my fucking brother's here. I gotta go. I'll be back. I'll get the deep fried wonton and then also the C4. I mean, I didn't tell her that I was Now we're going to Walmart because we need some groceries, or I need some groceries. And $1 drinks at McDonald's are back. I'm just saying that they're back. I'm not saying that we should act on it. But they're back. Let's figure out what I'm gonna get. There's so many to choose from. I'm kind of nervous. There's so much sugar though. Do they have healthy jello? There's so much sugar in here. Like, what am I gonna fucking... It's supposed to be a healthy dessert. So I'm back in the car now. This is not even mine. It's my brother's. I'm just gonna have a little bite. I'm just gonna have a bite, like... Oh god, it's melting. Oh god. Okay, I gotta go home. I'm back. I'm tired. To reiterate what I was saying, or was trying to say for the last 2 hours, is that I'm gonna try filming more lifestyle vlogs, or essentially weekend vlogs, because weekends are the only part of my life that are actually exciting. And also, get started. Excuse the fact that it's hella loud, but my Roomba's going. But one other thing that thank you for that. But one thing that I did buy that came in today is this. Yeah, it's for you, but can you go? Anyways, I got this cat water dispenser. I do have a cat water fountain, but it's kind of mid. It's supposed to be a wireless sensor automatic pet water fountain. First of all, it's stainless steel, but also it has a automatic sensor, so only when the cats walk near does it actually spew water out. The only reason I thought of getting it like that is because one of my cats is hella fucking picky, so I don't know if he likes running water all the time. I'm hoping that it filters out their water too, so all their gunk doesn't stick in the bowl. The one I have right now is plastic and it's kind of shit. Let's do a bit of an unboxing if my cat will let me. Ooh, fancy ass shit. Huh? Okay. It's like a giant tray. It's got this filter here. It's got a couple of things. Ooh, and it's got a little thing for you to wash your dirty ass cats on. You get the point. I'll order it. Let me get back to you. This is a little complex. Okay, so I charged it a bit. It's supposed to be wireless, but it can be wired. You put this shit in here, which is the filter, and then you close it. We're gonna fill it up with some water, and then you turn it on. Oh! Look at Mimo. Look at my cat. She's like, what is that? She's like, don't put your hand on it, please. god. So it is now Saturday morning. I am waiting for my boyfriend to come over. He'll probably be here within the next hour because he lives like 40 kilometers away. Before he gets here, I'm gonna start eating a little bit of breakfast. I'm also gonna add this new kefir that I bought just for funsies because it's mango. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna add some granola. But this is what my breakfast looks like. And not to be a real health guru because I generally don't eat like this, but just like 2 days ago I've decided to make chia seed pudding and it was surprisingly good. Otherwise, half the time I eat like a hot dog in the morning. So my boyfriend doesn't want to be on camera because he doesn't like me.
That's a hot take. But I feel like you're gonna be surprised when you watch this vlog.
He's nervous. Somebody's nervous.
Yeah.
This is more than you've ever talked ever. I'll put you an emoji on.
Can you skew my voice too? I want to sound like Darth Vader.
I want to sound like Optimus Prime. You know Optimus Prime?
I do. Okay. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go have lunch at this place called Fallen. And then we're gonna go to Ikea. He has to buy a pair of shoes somewhere. And
anyone
then
in the comments, give us recommendations on where to buy shoes. Not just any kind of shoes. Maybe be more specific. Maybe like when I say work shoes, I don't mean like boots. I mean like dress shoes, but like.
by the way. We thought that we would. Now we're gonna go get some coffee. Oh my god, this is so Asian inspired.
That's Korean food.
They're eating
Right?
pantan.
And that's awesome.
Awesome.
And yeah, right? Wow. This could be us.
The rice cookers are a
There's
moving
gotta be a hate
truck.
crime somewhere.
They're like, they tried so hard to be Asian. Anybody can get a card, you know? Any regular schmo. It's because I like do random things. Where are Mark's? We're looking for Ethan's shoes. Looks kind of big.
Yeah, no, it's
Huge?
too big. Yeah. It's like I can fit like
Another foot in there.
yeah.
Okay, how much shoe size? Your feet are too petite. We're now at TNT because somebody needs snacks for work.
I'm not
And
buying
that somebody is not me.
I'm not buying that.
Well, before I start a new one, I should probably finish.
Hydrochloric acid? Why has it got hydrochloric acid? Oh, it has that. Oh, I don't want that.
Why don't you want the cinema roll one? You use this for your face?
Yeah.
How come this is $7.99 and this is $34?
Put it for your face.
You can use this for your face too. I'm confused. That's such a huge price difference. He's having an internal crisis trying to pick some snacks for work. The selection here is pretty fun. We're gonna make some fluffy jello. I bought 2 kinds of jello because somebody didn't want a healthy version. So that's why I bought the Skittles one. But we're gonna make the 0 sugar one. Oh. Ooh. Oh, fluffy jello is done. We have to wait for it to set, but we're gonna eat this in the meantime. It's like really good, but it's really chewy. I feel like it could be a choking hazard. This is my dinner.
And this is my dinner. Doesn't that look so much better than hers?
No.
Yes, it does. Oh, hear that crunch? Isn't it good?
This is our this is our bowl of.
Barf.
How's it coming out that way?
My turn.
Good morning. It is now Sunday morning and I'm so hungry and I've been waiting for my boyfriend to wake up so we can go get some brunch. But now that he is finally awake, I need to get dressed so we can get going. I also didn't do my makeup before I leave, but unfortunately my brother is hogging up my bathroom with all my makeup supplies. So whatever I have here in my room is what I'm just gonna have to make do. I'm too lazy to do the whole shebang today, so I will see you at wherever place we decide to go eat.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe. You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms.
We're not at Sea Market because I really want a coffee. Whoa! Okay. It doesn't taste bad. It's just like obviously the bottom is just all coffee.
Mix it.
Good job. It's very interesting tasting. So we went by Sea Market because I need a coffee
Someone wanted dessert. No.
to stimulate
Don't
my
say,
bowel.
don't
I'm not lying.
lie.
I'm not lying. I'm back. My boyfriend is taking a shit in my bathroom. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start eating again. So this is the black salt cream top coffee. Now that I've mixed it up, it actually tastes really good. It's got a weird situation going on that's doing well for me. Also this matcha cookie that my boyfriend got, I'm gonna eat it right now. I also got their Earl Grey cream puff. because it's Sunday night, one thing that I have to do is that I have to prep my lunches for the week. My lunches are literally the same the whole entire week, which is 2 sandwiches. This is all the stuff that I need to make, not just for my lunches, but also for some eggs that I want to eat. I've been really into this viral recipe of soy marinated eggs. I made it once and I like it, but it was too salty. So I have to try it again. So I meal prepped all my sandwiches. It's my whole bag of sandwiches for the week. I also chopped up some fruit, but I only have 3 of them, so maybe up until Wednesday. Now I'm gonna start on my eggs. So I made the marinade. It looks more like a dipping sauce because I put so much shit in there.